Salutations, Junior Pearls! Join in the fun with rescuing darling farm and domestic zoo animals from the mud, where kids can help their favorite animals escape from sticky situations. This joyful learning adventure is perfect for children who love animals and want to play hero while learning about nature. In this adventure, you will meet adorable farm animals like baby lambs, fluffy chickens, and playful piglets. Plunge into the fun. Exploring the goat galore. Goats are known for being browsers, which means they prefer to eat leaves, shrubs, and vines rather than grass. However, they are quite adaptable and can eat. Behold the mighty hippopotamus! Despite their size, hippos are excellent swimmers and spend a significant amount of time in the water. They have a unique adaptation where their eyes, ears, and nostrils are located on the top of their heads. The Canine Chronicles of the Dog. A dog's sense of smell is highly developed, with some breeds able to detect scents at concentrations as low as 1 part per trillion. Dogs have been companions to humans for thousands of years, with evidence suggesting domestication around. The timeless beauty of horse. Throughout history, horses have played a critical role in human civilization, serving as transportation, in agriculture, and in various forms of labor. Equine therapy, also known as horse therapy, has been recognized for its therapeutic benefits in addressing various physical, Horned Majesty Rhino in focus. Rhinos are known for their powerful charges. Despite their massive size, they can run at surprisingly high speeds, especially when they feel threatened. Rhinos can be found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, pride and power of King Lion. Lions are incredibly fast and agile. They can reach speeds of up to 50 mph in short bursts and are capable of leaping distances up to 36 feet 11 meters. One of the most distinctive features of male lions is their mane. Astounding tales of donkey. There are three main types of donkeys: wild, feral, and domesticated. Wild donkeys typically grow to around 49 inches from hoof to shoulder and weigh around 551 pounds. Domesticated donkeys vary in size. A closer look at panda ecology. Despite being classified as carnivores, pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo, but they may also consume small mammals. Pandas can eat up to 12 to 38 kilograms of bamboo per day. The secret lives of leopards. Leopards are known for their distinctive golden yellow fur covered in black spots and rosettes. They have a wide distribution and can be found in various habitats, including grassland, forest, and mountains across Africa and parts of Asia. Meeting bears around the world. Bears have strong claws and teeth, while they are primarily adapted for their omnivorous diet. They are considered when defending themselves. Many bear species are listed as threatened or endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Decoding the language of rabbit. Rabbits have large, sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from various directions. This helps them be aware of potential predators. There are over 60 different breeds of domestic rabbits, each with its own unique characteristics. Discovering the elegance of white tiger. Like other Bengal tigers, white tigers are native to the Indian subcontinent including India, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. They inhabit a variety of environments from grassland and forest to mangrove swamps. Black and White Chronicles of Zebra. It's thought that the white and black stripes of a zebra helps keep them camouflaged, as it can distract and confuse any predators such as lions. Did you know that lions are colorblind? So when they see a herd of zebras, the amazing journeys of reindeer. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. In North America, they are known as caribou. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, making them unique among deer species. Spotlight on Earth's tallest animal, giraffe. Giraffes have a massive heart, weighing around 25 pounds 11 kg, which is necessary to pump blood up their long necks to reach their brains. Their blood pressure is also unusually high to overcome the gravitational force and reach the brain. Unraveling the tales of iguana. Iguanas are a diverse group of lizards belonging to the family Iguanidae. They encompass a range of species including the common breed iguana, marine iguanas, and lesser-known species like the Fiji banded iguana. Iguanas vary in size depending on the species. Male iguanas are known for their territorial behavior. The buzzing ballad of Honey Bee. Honeybees are social insects and live in colonies consisting of three main castes: worker bees and drones. The worker bees are females and their tasks include foraging and defending. Drones are male bees whose primary purpose is to mate with a queen. Dive into the stake beetle's world. The males of many stake beetle species have large and elaborate mandibles that are used for fighting with other males. Despite their intimidating appearance, these mandibles are not typically harmful to humans. Stake beetles are among the largest beetles in the world. Understanding the essence of rams. Rams are domesticated sheep that have been selectively bred for specific traits. Domestic sheep are believed to have been domesticated from wild mouflons in the Middle East around 10,000 years ago. Male sheep are called rams, while females are ewes, and young sheep are lambs. Rams are typically larger and heavier than ewes. Unmasking the majestic stripes of tiger. Tigers are considered as solitary animals, unlike the sights of multiple tigers kept in one cage in the zoos. You are less likely to spot the same age group of tigers roaming together in the wild. The tigers have a varied diet that can feast on anything that comes its way: a wild boar, deer, antelope, and even their own group of cats like leopards. Thank you for your time and engagement to watching Rescuing Darlings Farm and Domestic Zoo Animals from the Mud. Joyful learning adventure. Subscribe now for the Rescuing Darlings Farm and Domestic Zoo Animals from the Mud is a joyful learning experience filled with adventure, problem solving, and fun. Kids will love helping their animal friends, learning interesting facts along the way, and using their imagination to create a happy, mud-free world. So grab your rescue gear and get ready for a fun-filled adventure. Don't miss out on future muddy adventures. Bye bye, young adventurers!